There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Widebody in pitch black. With illuminated air catcher headlamps, wide-body fender flares, 20-inch low-gloss black forged wheels, BREMBO 6-piston front brakes, blind spot and rear cross-path detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 1,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, Dodge SRT performance pages, dual zone temperature control, competition suspension, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com. Stock number PT2209.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.